Hello RCA parents and students. My name is Mr. Jesse Smith and I am the Computer Science and Manufacturing teacher at Rockdale Career Academy. I graduated from Rockdale County High School and went on to the University of Georgia where I have obtained degrees in Computer Science and Workforce Education. I am currently entering my 8th year teaching at Rockdale Career Academy. Your student is enrolled in AP Computer Science A, which is the 3rd year of the programming pathway at Rockdale Career Academy, or it can serve as an AP Science credit for sophomore, juniors, and seniors. During this school year, we will be covering programming environments, Java basics, object-oriented programming, and algorithms. As a member of the Computer Science pathway or the APCSA class, your student will have the opportunity to join our student organization called Skills USA. Students in Skills USA compete in different competitions that deal with their career pathway. This school year, we will be learning digitally in a virtual world. This will be accomplished by students meeting with me in Microsoft Teams for face-to-face video conferencing. They will log into It's Learning to see announcements and gather their daily work. And I also have my own website at www.rcamanufacturing.com where students will get supplemental videos and extra tutorials. If you would like to reach out with any questions or concerns, or if you just want to make an introduction, you can email me at jessesmith@rockdale.k12.ga.us. I look forward to a great school year and having your student in my class. Thank you.